Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So what you guys want to do first is check the volume levels in the settings. It's very important because we sometimes forget about them and wonder why our speakers are not working. So let's go over here and go to settings. Now let's go over to sounds and vibration, and here we will have the volume. So click on volume, and here make sure that either media, ringtone or notifications are maxed out. I recommend maxing out all three. And now what you guys can do after that is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So let me show you guys. Here we will have the speaker grills. Basically you want to clean them with a soft brush, and after you clean them, what you guys can do is disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere. So for example, you might have Bluetooth turned on and the audio might be routed to some kind of speaker that's not in your room, your headphones that are in the case, or basically your car. So there's some few levels of that. Now, to disable the Bluetooth, we need to go over back to the main page, go to connections, it's right up top, and here make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. So when your Bluetooth is enabled, then as you guys can see, it will constantly scan for new devices. So what you guys want to do is just disable it, and now you shouldn't have any problems with your audio being rerouted somewhere else. So as a last resort, what you guys want to do is update your software. There's a lot of glitches in older softwares when for example you want to listen to music, you just can't because your speaker is not working, or you want to call somebody but you get no sound during a call. So that's why updating your software is that important. So let's go over here. Now let's go back to software update, it's at the bottom, and here click on download and install. Here as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically. I have the latest version, but if you guys don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.